Hi, I am going to show you how to register for an opportunity and make sure that you're linking that you are part of a user group, and in this case, Randy Wise, so that we are able to track how many hours Randy Wise employees are giving back to our community and show what a great asset that makes for our community. So as you can see, I'm already logged into my site, so you're just going to log in. If you've uploaded a picture, then you're going to see that here where I'm circling with my mouse. Otherwise, you're going to see your initials. Once you're here, if you look to the left side of the screen, you're going to see that it says opportunities. See how it just highlighted that? I'm going to click that. It's here that I'm going to find opportunities to go out and volunteer in my community. So there's lists and lists and lists of them, as you can see. If I go through here and scroll back down so I can see there are, let's go to the last one so we can see how many pages there are. There's 26 pages and there's about 12 on a page listed. So that just gives you an idea of what's out there and available. So I'm going to see that, the National Association of Letter Carriers food drive is coming up. So I want to know more about that. You see I can click on view details and it's going to show me and tell me what it is. They're looking for someone to come and help unload the letter carrier's truck and sort the food. So I'm going to respond to it here. You can respond as a team so that you can put others in, or you can just have everybody go in and respond individually. So for now, I'm going to show you respond as an individual. Once I've done that, it's telling me this is where I'm, what the opportunity is, when it is, who's it with, and then you'll see it says additional volunteer information. This is a chance for you to write notes. Some people will say, I have a disability. Is there something that will allow me to sit down and do it? Or if it's something that says there's food going to be provided, you could put that you have an allergy. Any kind of notes would go in here. But what I want you to pay attention to is the user group. You'll see there's a down arrow. I'm going to click on it. And the down arrow is going to show me any group I may be a part of. And you should have already done the instruction where you added that you are part of the Randy Wise automotive team. And so I've done that here, and you can see that's popping up. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to add that to the team, the Randy Wise automotive team. This is going to show that when I show up and they verify that I did these hours, then these 4 hours that I do are going to accumulate with every other Randy Wise employee, and so that we can give you an account of, hey, in the last year Randy Wise employees have given 500 hours worth of volunteerism back to their community. So once you've made sure that you've just clicked down arrow and used whatever group is in there, in case you have more than one, I can tell you that currently there is only one other group in there. So it's you guys in a church that are doing a group. So this is new, and we just love the opportunity. So once you've done that, you're going to just submit opportunity response, and then you'll see it's going to say thank you for volunteering. It gives me a chance to donate or a chance to share out that I'm doing that with Facebook or Twitter or Google. You don't have to do any of those. You can just click out. And now, as you see on the opportunity, instead of a register button, there's an unregister, because I am registered for that opportunity. So again, just wanted to make sure that you knew how to click in there that you are part of the Randy Wise group whenever you submit a volunteer registration on the site.